You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I am going to do a Zaful haul. This is actually the first time I've ordered from Zaful, so yeah, I'm going to give my brutally honest opinion. I have bought all of these items myself, just for a little bit of a disclaimer, and yeah, I'm actually filming from a hotel in Bali. If you didn't know already, I am currently in Bali, just travelling. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I'll leave them all linked below. If you want to go and check those out after this video, feel free. But yeah, I'm going to just go over all of the pieces that I've got for you today. And I'm going to talk about like the shipping timescales that I've personally experienced, etc, etc. Firstly, you're going to just have a chat to you about the shipping. I actually spent over, I think there's like a threshold, I'll put it on the screen. If you spend over a certain amount, then you actually get free express shipping. And I'll also put the time scales on the screen for express shipping. So just do bear in mind that my order, because it was over the threshold, I did get the faster option. So if you don't spend as much, then it will take a little bit longer, and I'll put those time frames on the screen as well. So I ordered my Zaful order on the 9th of March, and on the 16th of March I've got the DHL scheduled for delivery text. So basically that was 7 days. So 7 days including, that wasn't 7 working days, that was 7 full days. I received my order, which I thought was amazing considering it's coming from, I think it's Hong Kong, I think, where it is delivered from. I ordered to the UK, so I think 7 days is pretty good. The only thing is, there was a bikini missing out of my order, and I actually saw that when I had the confirmation. It did actually say in the dispatch email that five of the bikinis were ready, and then the last one was sold out, so I had to wait until there was new stock for that to be dispatched, basically. So just bear that in mind as well. So if you order like really popular bikinis or popular clothing, then it might be dispatched later and it comes in like different parts, which is slightly annoying. And because I was coming away, I only had a certain amount of time before I was coming away as well. So unfortunately I haven't actually received the last bikini. I had to dispute it and basically get my money back for that bikini. The customer service was pretty good. They got back to me every time I emailed them within 24 hours. I've heard a lot of people slating their customer service. I actually had a decent experience with the customer service. The annoying thing was the fact that I didn't receive that last bikini, which is kind of annoying because I did want to bring it away with me, but at least they've kind of given me my money back, so that's kind of alright. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to showing you the items. By the way, sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out. Currently the sun is like over the other side of the hotel, so our balcony is like in dark, so I have got my light on, but just in case the sun like moves and stuff. I'm going to show you is this electric blue bikini. So the top is like a cropped vest, and it's got like a cutout section here. The quality is really good. I will say the packaging that it comes in, obviously I brought them away with me now, so I don't actually have the original packaging, but they come in really, really high quality plastic bags. The only issue I have with that is because it's plastic, and we all know we need to be reducing the amount of plastic we're using, so I think it's a little bit unnecessary. Each bikini comes in a separate pouch as well, so 5 bikinis, 5 separate plastic pouches, but it does makes them look quite high quality, I suppose. I can kind of see where they're going with packaging. Yeah, it's got this little tie that actually you can actually untie that yourself and sort of make it tighter or looser. And then the bikini bottoms, briefs, the good thing is about these is they don't have any, like, they only have a tiny little label in the side bit. So I've noticed that the front section is slightly more cut into than the back section. So if you are feeling a little bit more cheeky, then you could actually wear the front section at the back and vice versa if you wanted it a little bit more high cut on the bum area. I purchased these in an extra large. I think the annoying thing is I've got a really larger bottom half compared to my top half. I've got no boobs, so it would be good if you could mix and match the sizes, because the top bikini I could probably do with a small or a medium. This is extra large, and the pants fit me fine. It doesn't look cheap, basically. Yeah, I think the bottoms fit quite nicely. In terms of sizing, I'm normally about a 10 to 12 on my bottom, and then on my top probably about an 8, and I got extra large. Now obviously I could do with a medium probably on the top half in that particular bikini, just to kind of make you aware of the sizing. Now move on to this one. This is one of my faves. This is really cute. It's like, I can't explain the material. It's like etched, like a pattern on the actual material. It's not like shiny like this. It's like a different kind of material, and it's just like a little bra, and then has a strap at the back end. And I got this in a size large. I didn't get this one in an extra large, because also the good thing about Zaful is you can actually scroll down to the bottom of each bikini page and see what other people say about the sizing of the bikini, and you can actually see some girls upload photographs of themselves, so you can kind of gauge whether you're like a similar body shape to them, and to see what kind of size they have got. And then the bottoms are a little bit cheekier than the last ones. I think this top fits me nicer than all of the other ones, just because it's a little bit more tight fitting. These bikini bottoms, again, are quite like cheeky, so if you want anything a little bit fuller, I wouldn't go for these. Yeah, I really like the colour of this one. So a little bit skimpier. But yeah, I really like that bikini as well. That fits quite nicely. I would say the large in this fits a little bit tighter than the previous bikini. It's quite nice and fitted. The next one, I'm going to say they're all my favourites because this one, I love this one. This is so cute. So this one is like a little spotty number. I got this one in a size large. So that's the bottoms. They're quite cheeky, the bottoms. I would say the top in this is pretty big. I could have done with a medium in this. It's just annoying that you can't mix and match the sizes, because what girl is the same size on the top and bottom? I don't really know many girls that have the same size on the top and the same size on the bottom. Look how massive this is. Like, I'm quite petite on the top, and I definitely could have done with a medium, a small even in this, because I don't really have much to kind of fill the top half. But it's really cute. It's got this cut out section here. So this one, as you can see, the top's quite big. I could have done with a size down in the top. So yeah, I got that one in a size large. The next one is really cute. Keep saying cute. How many times have I said cute? So the next bikini is this like sunflower-esque bikini. I got this one in a size... Oh, okay, so this doesn't actually say... Did I get this in a medium? It says size US 8, UK 12, EU 40. And the bottoms are quite tight. Oh, is it that way? Yeah, that way. The bottoms are quite tight, whereas again the top is a little bit big. I could have done with a smaller size, but it's this really cute off the shoulder frilly white top to go with the sunflower bottoms, and again that's got padding in as well. So this is the sunflower one with the little cropped frilly top. I would say these are quite tight. I do have chunkier arms though. I'm just bigger on my arms in comparison to this section of me. So if you've got smaller arms than me, you're probably fine. They're not like really uncomfortable, they're just tight. So if you've got bigger arms than me, just bear that in mind. With this sizing of the bikini. And then that's the back. These are quite skimpy, these ones. They feel a lot tighter than the other ones. So I would probably size up in these just because they're quite tight fitting. The final one, yeah, the final one is just this plain black bikini. You can't really go wrong with a black bikini. They're quite slimming, aren't they? I got this one a size US 8, UK 12 and EU 40, and it's quite a full brief. You can actually wear these the wrong way around. They do actually fit the wrong way around. I'll try them on the wrong way around so you can have a little look, and it makes the back a little bit more cheeky. And then it's just this bandeau style black bikini top, and again that's in the same size, EU 40, UK 12 and US 8. So this is the bandeau style one. I'm going to be honest, I don't know whether this is that flattering on my shape. So if you've got a similar shape to me, I don't know, I think it makes me, because I've got quite a short torso in it anyway, I think it squashes it down even more so because of the amount of skin that I'm showing here, if that makes sense. I don't know, let me know in the comments, but that's just kind of my opinion on this bikini. I think I need like either like cropped with straps, if you know what I mean. I've worn them back to front, so they are a little bit more like cheeky on the bum, but obviously you can actually switch them around, so this is covering a bit more of your bum. But yeah, I do quite like it, but I just think it's not the most flattering on my shape. That's all. Nothing major, just the shape. But yeah, that's the last bikini. That's how this bikini fits. Again, I probably could have done with a smaller size in this. It's just one thing that I really wish bikini brands would actually let you just mix and match the sizing. Because I think, I'm pretty sure they obviously get all of these handmade from like a factory or somewhere, so some of them, because they take so long to actually get dispatched, I'm assuming that's because they're waiting for more to be made. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that Zaful haul. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new, definitely hit the subscribe button, and after this go and check out all my other BALI videos. I'll leave them linked below. Bye!